Hi everyone, it's Miss Kelly from the Wakanda Library here today to show you what we're going to do with this month's Art to Go kit. So this month you guys are going to be making gingerbread houses, and here's my house here that I've been working on. So inside your kit you're going to find, you'll have a front and back of your house, the roof, a paper to put underneath to make kind of your scene, the chimney, and then I'm gonna give you some trees and some different things to decorate your house with. This is just an assortment of things. You're gonna probably find different things in every kit, but mostly I want you to maybe make your own things or look around your house or maybe some Christmas decorations and see what you guys have that you can add to it. All you'll need is glue and maybe some scissors. So I'm gonna get started and show you how to assemble your house. So you're going to take the front of your house, and there's a little line in there. It's kind of hard to see when you're on the camera, but you'll be able to see when you get it at home. You're just going to fold it on the line like that. Okay? And then there's another little line over here. Fold it right on the line. And then if you look up here on the roof, there's going to be 2 spots to fold it right here. Okay? So you've got the front of your house assembled already. And then we'll take the back. You're going to make sure it goes this way. So you'll see you need to fold it in this way. Again, there's a line there for you to fold it on. Another line here. And I just want to make it meet over there. Makes it easier to glue if you get it pre-folded and kind of make some crisp lines like that. Some good folds. So fold the roof. This. All right, and once you have all those folded, then you're going to grab your glue. You can use any kind of glue. A glue stick is fine. You can use tape. I'm using, I have some tacky glue here because it dries a little quicker, and I want to be able to show you guys what to do next. So you're going to take this tab and you're going to glue the back onto the front of your house like this. Hold it down for a second. Remember, this is going to be on the inside, so like I said, if you wanted to tape it even, you could do that and no one would be able to see it. So a little bit of glue down here. Same thing, just match those lines up. It's kind of important to make sure at the bottom it's even, so your house, when it stands up, it won't be wobbly. If you turn it this way, you can again push it from the inside and kind of smooth it down. Right. Stand up. We'll let that dry for a second while we get the roof ready. All right. So the roof is pretty easy to get ready. You're just gonna, again, fold it right in half. There's a little line on there in the middle too, but you can just line up these ends here. Right. Push that down. Right. And it's going to set right over the top like this. I'm going to do it so the chimney's more at the back of the house. If you see the chimney's not right in the middle, you want to put a little bit towards the back. So again, we're just going to put a little glue on those tabs, right down the edges. And if you're using a glue stick, just lay it down to do it. You can put glue on the roof, but I find that it's easier if you do it on the tabs like this, and then, because it's kind of hard to make sure you're lining it up on the right edges. So if you put it right on the house, and then you're just gonna touch them down on there like this. And again, since it's open in the bottom, you can reach your hand, lay it on its side, reach your hand in from the inside, and you can press it down. Might be a good time to have a little help from your mom or dad, or maybe a brother or sister could help you glue these down. It's good to have someone help you craft. Turn the other way. And press those down. Okay. All right, then the last part of your house is the chimney. There's going to be little lines to fold on here. Same thing, you're going to kind of wrap it up into a square like this. And you're going to tuck this little edge so it's on the inside of your chimney. So again, put a little glue on there. It's important to make sure you use a glue that's going to dry either white or clear, so it's not going to show, because this will kind of squeak out a little bit. All right. It's best to let this sit for a second, but because I want to show you guys how to assemble it, I'm going to do it right away. And it's going to pop right in here in the opening, okay? And you can, if you want, I reached in and I kind of spread that out so it can go all the way in there, but mine's still a little wet. Let's let it dry. So the important thing is now, though, to let your house dry for a couple minutes before you start decorating. You want all that glue to be pretty stiff so you don't end up with it getting sticky all over the place. So I'm going to push that one to the side and let it dry and bring this one over so you guys can see some of the decorations that I made. So remember, I'm giving you this white piece of paper too, so you can put your house right on there. And then I'm going to give you a Christmas tree, which is really easy to assemble. There's a slot in both the trees, and you just pop those together. All right, and put that on. And then there's some of these little rocks. I used it to make a path up to my house. And then I just had some of these little squiggly decorations. I'm also going to give you some of this fun yarn. I used it kind of like a garland around some of the windows. And then even some of this, which you could make it into snow. You could put it on the side, or even you could do this like you have a fire in the fireplace in your side your gingerbread house. For the roof, I'll show you a little bit how I did the roof. I started at the bottom to get this overlapping look. I started at the bottom. I took it, I put a little line of blue like this right across. And then I took my dots and started just pushing them into the glue. And I kind of like to overlap them a little bit too. Or if you want, you could just make a pattern on it. You can leave them open. Just put polka dots on your house. Okay, any way you want. So have fun. Look around your house. You can use any kind of decorations you can cut out. You can make things. It would look really cute if you made some candy canes to put on here. Or if you wanted to use some real candy, it's okay. I just like the idea of making this all out of paper because that means we can have it around in our house through the whole holiday and not worry about maybe somebody getting into it or the candy getting kind of yucky and sticky. Let me get a little bow on my wreath here. Put that on there. And then I actually even found I had some little leftover red and green chili peppers from something else, these little decorations. So I thought I would put those on my wreath. Perfect that they're red and green. So in each kit, I'm going to give you a variety of things, like some buttons and some yarn and some fun different things. But again, look around your house, see what you can find so you can make it into your own craft. Maybe I'll put this right on my front door. Oops. Something like this would probably be a good idea to let it dry a little bit before you put it on, but I want to show you guys. Put it right in the front door. There. All right. I hope you have fun. Send me pictures of your craft. I hope you all have a happy and safe holiday, and keep an eye out for next month's Art to Go. Bye now.